You'd never guess that this quiet, unsung product earned one Etsy seller over 40,000 purchases in a month. With the global market expected to reach $191 million, I have a question. Should more of us be talking about stickers? Hey folks, Leah here. Whether it's the joy of personalization or the promise of profit, there's a good reason why many online store owners find selling stickers appealing. Here's how you can find and easily start creating stickers for your online store. Head to the Home and Living section in our catalog and click on Magnets and Stickers. From sticker sheets to wall decals and many shapes, sizes, materials, and finishes in between. Our two most popular options for sellers are kiss cut and die cut stickers. The difference between the two is the way they are cut during production in the print facility. Kiss cut stickers are partially cut only on the adhesive layer, but not the paper backing, while die cut stickers are fully cut on both. Let's start by selecting one of our best sellers, a kiss cut sticker. Click Start Designing to open up our product creator. Be careful, some stickers may show print areas with dashed lines, also known as safe areas. Keep your design inside the safe area and reserve the outside for background colors. For transparent stickers, avoid white areas in your design which will be left blank during printing. Also, clean up any rogue pixels outside your design which can be printed if not removed. Luckily for us, the print area for kiss cut stickers lets us put our design anywhere we want. Start by clicking the ruler and pencil icon on the top right to select the size and surface of your sticker. For kiss cuts, you can choose to print on a white or transparent background. Then, add your design by either uploading it to your library or by dropping it into the print area. For best results, make sure your design file matches the requirements noted in our product creator. Text designs can be added using the text button on the side panel. Simply pick a font, add an emoji, and color it by using any one of our options or by adding a hex code for a custom color. You can also access more image options further down the side panel by clicking on the following buttons. Graphics, where you can browse and use any of our free images. Templates, which lets you find previously created design templates. AI, our brand new image generator, lets you come up with a design in seconds by simply entering a prompt. Paid content, to search for and buy single designs or collections from Shutterstock's library. And for payment, you'll only be charged when a product with the image you chose is sold. And if you're out of ideas or need inspiration, hire a Printify or Fiverr designer by clicking on Services. For now, I'll choose a design from my library and add it to the print area. For best results, we recommend your file is in a PNG format. You can alter an image by clicking on the corners or sides and adjusting it to your needs, or by clicking the ruler and pencil icon and adjusting the image measurements under Layers. The toolbar above your design not only lets you flip or fit an image onto your print area, it also lets you access our unique background remover tool, or create a pattern by adjusting these sliders in the layer panel on the right. When you're happy with your design, click on Preview to see it on your product. You can choose to view your design in 2 different color modes, or download the images to use as mockups to share later. Once you're ready, click on Save Product and add it to your online store. There's a lot to get right when it comes to creating quality products for your customers. Luckily for you, we've put all our product guides into one playlist called Printify Tutorials. Click here to check out more, and while you're at it, give this video a like and be sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.